Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to return on SHEIN. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your SHEIN app, and once you open up your SHEIN app you'll be seeing this kind of home screen, right? Simply sign into your account, and once you're signed in you'll be sent to the SHEIN interface. Now here on the top left corner of the screen you'll be seeing a mail icon, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here all you gotta do is tap on orders, and once you tap on orders you'll be sent to order detail page, right? Now on the bottom bar you'll be seeing 4 options, that is delete order, track, return item and my review, right? Now in order to return item, simply tap on return item, and once you tap on return item, now all you gotta do is select the items that you want to remove. And once you select the item, the next thing is you have to enter the reason for it. Now simply tap on reason for return to enter in your reason, and you can upload photos as well, because photos are requested when applying for return. So just click the photo and attach it to it, and once you have done with that, simply tap on next step on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are here, simply tap on return method, and once you tap on return method you'll be provided with 2 options, that is post office, UPS store, right? Now select your option. Once you have selected your options, simply tap on confirm, and the next page will show you something like this. Simply tap on submit, and once you have done, a UPS label or QR code will be sent to you, and a return confirmation mail also will be sent to you. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.